we can give it directly to the 3D printing heat bed over here, and the 3D printer will print all these objects without any defects. So this is the advanced technology which is going to come in the future, but we have made the future now itself possible. Using this virtual augmentation reality simulation, we can eliminate the defects well in advance, and we can ensure that the object which is going to be 3D printed is going to be completely free from defects, as we are going to see over here.
Is to make micro-sized castings. When we compare conventional methods, it requires a lot of investment to make a die casting. So we eliminate such techniques. What we do is that we first print a mold using a 3D printer, with which we make a mold using POP, and then we pour aluminum in the molten state to get a casting.
We have designed the model using software called PDC Creo. And this 3D model is used in such a way that you could actually view an object in a real-time computer feature.
We have designed the model in the Creo software, and then we convert it to .stl file. To convert it to .stl file, we use the QLA software here. And after converting it into QLA software, we convert it to as G-code, and we feed the G-code into the software for us properties. And now,
one of the application about 3D printing is that the micro-sized castings are used for automobile industries, and we are supplying for them also. And other things about these things are chest points are also made, and some BMW logo has been made by this. So these are the applications of 3D.